You think confidence is walking into a room and believing that everyone is going to like you. That is not in confidence. That is just to disguise insecurity. Just think about it. You dress up perfectly, you plan out what you have to say, and bend out your personality just to make sure that you are likable. But what if I told you that the act of trying to be likable by everyone is the exact reason that people don't respect you? True confidence is not walking in the room and believing that everyone will like me. It is that it's okay even if no one likes me. There is one very specific and subconscious habit you do almost every single day when you are around other people. It takes only less than 2 seconds, but you scream to the people that you need validation from others. I'm going to reveal this exact same habit in the end of the video, so stick to the end. And once you realize you do it, trust me, you will change the way you carry yourself. But first, let me tell you how I stop being the puppet to the other people's opinion. So, a year ago, my entire emotional state was controlled by an remote. And I had handled that remote to everyone around me, my parents, my friends, my cousins, my sibling, every single one. कुणाचा तरी एक मेसेज यायचा उशीर झाला की माझा पूर्ण दिवस खराब जाणार किंवा कोणी माझ्या कामाचं काही कौतुक नाही केलं की माझा दिवस खराब जाणार. आय वुड post a picture and I was waiting for the likes. I was waiting for the compliments. I was waiting for the comments that other people will give me. And also, I would change my opinion to just fit in the group. One day, I was just thinking, I was just looking in the mirror and thought that, and I realized something pathetic. I was living my entire life in an audition. Like I was constantly performing, waiting for the validations, waiting for other people's opinion about me, waiting for the judges, like my friends, society, to hold up a scorecard and tell me that I was enough. That was the exact day I decided to become and completely unapologetically untouchable. If you are exhausted from the riding of the roller coaster from the people's validation, here is exactly how you build magnetic and unshakable confidence. Shift number one is adopt let them theory. If someone wants to misunderstand you, let them. If a friend wants to pull you away from their life, let them. If someone thinks that you are acting too big from your boots, you are being too delusional, let them think the way they want. स्वतःला सिद्ध करण्यासाठी आणि कोणाला समजूत घालण्यासाठी तुम्ही स्वतःची एनर्जी वाया करू नका. Your desperation to control how others see you is your biggest weakness. When you simply say let them, you reclaim all 100% of your emotional power and you become completely unshakable. Shift number two is stop auditioning for people. Whether it is a dating or a friendship, any girl are always trying to prove themselves like why they are so good catch for them, that I'm so loyal, I'm so caring, I know this, I know how to cook. Look at everything I do for you. Girls, stop selling yourself. High value women do not audition, they cast. You are the prize, and they should prove you that you are the worth the energy and time. If you feel की तू कोणासाठी तरी ऑप्शन आहे, तर मला वाटतं तिथून शांतपणे निघून जाणं is the right thing. Shift number three is embrace radical self obsession. Every single time society tell the woman that self obsession is toxic and radical and arrogant. Trust me, society is lying. Being obsessed with your own growth, with your own self, with your own peace, with your own standard is the ultimate form of self defense. When you are truly obsessed with building your dream life, you suddenly don't care that the random person from your past don't like your new era. Protect your energy like it's $1 million asset. Shift number 4 is kill the need to over explain. When someone questions you why you left the job, why you left that relationship, or why you are setting a boundary, are you the one who gives them a 10-minute justification? लोकांना स्पष्टीकरण देणं थांबवा. Because that thing was the best for me is the complete sentence. Over explaining is a trauma response. It shows that you need their permission to live your life, your own life. Silence and a blank stare will always command more respect than a nervous explanation. Shift number 5 is master emotional regulation. If someone can make you angry, make you cry over a minor mistake or minor comment, or make you send a massive paragraph of an angry text, trust me, they own you. You have given them the key to your nervous system. An untouchable woman processes her emotional privately. तुमच्या इमोशन्सवर, तुमच्या भावनांवर तुमचा कंट्रोल असलाच पाहिजे. When people realize that they cannot trigger out from you, they lose all their power. They lose all power over you. Shift number 6 is build a private life. You don't need to post every minor details about your life on social media or to anyone. Don't need to announce your next move. You constantly seek applause from others or from the internet, and every tiny achievement, you cheapen your success. Move in silence. Let the result speak so loudly that your presence alone demands respect without you having to utter a single word. Shift number 7 is accept that you will be the villain. The moment you stop seeking external validations and start strictly enforcing the boundaries you have created on the other people, the people will think that you are selfish, you are cold, you are difficult, you are rude, you have changed, you have become arrogant, which is actually good. लोकांना तुमच्याबद्दल जे विचार करायचं ते करू द्या. You cannot be fiercely independent, high value woman and still expect to everyone's favorite. Sweet girl. You have to choose. Do you want to be liked or do you want to be respected? You cannot have both from everyone. Think about it. You remember that one subconscious habit that at the very beginning, the 2-second action that instantly screams you are desperate for validations. The habit is reaction scan. I know. हे समजलं नसणार आहे. Think about it. You tell a joke or you share any achievement of yours, and you suddenly try to look at that person's reaction, whose validation value most to you, and you just check that if that person is laughing or he's impressed from what you just did, or he's just blank or something like this. You just scan his reaction, and this shows that you're not living your life. तुम्ही तुमचं आयुष्य जगत नाही आहात, तुम्ही फक्त त्यांच्या रिॲक्शनची वाट बघत आहात. You are actually telling that person that my joy is not real. I'm waiting for your reaction, I'm waiting for your validation. You have to validate it. An untouchable woman speaks, laughs, and acts because she actually felt that way. She actually finds it valuable. She doesn't look around themselves for applause. She just validate herself. Stop checking to see if room is clapping for you. Clap for yourself first. You are the only audience that matter. That's it. If you are ready to stop begging for the validation and enter into the untouchable era, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment. I am the prize to lock in this mindset. Stay magnetic. Okay, bye.